Get ready to groove and feel the soul, because today we're diving into the sensational world of Motown. If you are a fan of catchy melodies, infectious rhythms, and timeless classics, then this video is a must-watch for you. Hey there, my name is Heather, aka the Pop Rock Coach, and a big warm welcome to my channel. Here we're all about helping voice teachers, singers, and anyone else interested navigate the fantastic world of pop rock music, from mastering the perfect repertoire to rocking the stage with confidence. Now I'm about to introduce you to 12 incredible Motown artists. These artists have left an indelible mark in the music industry and serve as the inspiration for all the music artists today. And if you're a young singer, it's really important to have musical inspirations, people that you can look up to. So then it can also be good to know who your musical inspirations are. And I bet a lot of them will be some of these Motown artists. So grab your dancing shoes and let's get this Motown party started. First up, we have Stevie Wonder, one of the most iconic and influential Motown artists literally of all time, with a career spanning at least 5 decades. His unique sound, blending soul, funk, and pop, has made him a musical legend, and his songs like Superstition and I Just Called to Say I Love You have become timeless classics. Powerful vocals, masterful songwriting, and incredible talent on a range of instruments. He plays everything. Stevie Wonder is a must-know artist for fans of Motown and soul music. Next, let's talk about the Supremes, one of the most successful girl groups in music history, with 12 #1 hit singles and an unmistakable sound that defined the Motown era. The Supremes' catchy tunes, glamorous image, and dynamic vocal performances make them a must-know group for anyone interested in Motown and pop music. And for my musical theater friends, they were the inspiration for Dreamgirls. Now let's groove on with the Temptations, one of my favorites. A legendary Motown group with a signature sound that blended soul, rhythm and blues, and pop. With hits like My Girl, Papa Was a Rolling Stone. They have become a household name and an inspiration for countless artists. Smooth harmonies, smooth choreography, and captivating performances make them an essential Motown act to know. And moving on, we can't forget about the Four Tops. This Motown quartet rose to fame in the 1960s with their soulful ballads and upbeat pop hits. Their distinctive sound, featuring the powerful baritone vocals of lead singer Levi Stubbs, and their sophisticated style, have made them an enduring favorite among fans of Motown and R&B, and they were together for 40 years. Let's talk about Marvin Gaye. Marvin Gaye is a Motown icon, known for his smooth, sultry voice, his socially conscious lyrics, and groundbreaking albums like What's Going On? What's Going On? His music fused soul, R&B, and jazz, creating a sound that was both timeless and innovative. With hits like Ain't No Mountain High Enough and Sexual Healing, What's Going On, Marvin Gaye remains one of the most influential and celebrated artists in Motown history. Now, get ready to dance with Martha Reeves and the Vandellas, a female vocal group that helped define the Motown sound with hits like Dancing in the Street, Heat Wave. Their high-energy performances, catchy tunes filled with hand claps, foot stomps, and call-and-response vocals have made them a beloved Motown act that is still popular today. Up next, we have Gladys Knight and the Pips. Favorite of mine, a family group with a powerful sound that blended R&B, soul, and gospel. Their signature hits like Midnight Train to Georgia and Neither One of Us Wants to Be the First to Say Goodbye showcase Gladys Knight's soulful voice and this group's tight harmonies. With their enduring popularity and influence, Gladys Knight and the Pips are a must-know act for any fan of Motown and soul music. And you gotta watch the Pips dance, because that was awesome. Speaking of dancing, let's moonwalk our way to the Jackson 5, literally one of Motown's most successful groups. With hits like I Want You Back, ABC, Easy as 1, 2, 3, and so many more, this group showcased the incredible talents of a very, very young Michael Jackson with his brothers, and their blend of pop, R&B, and soul has made them an enduring favorite among fans of Motown, pop music, music as a whole. Now moving on, let's talk about Smokey Robinson and the Miracles. This Motown group helped shape the sound of R&B and soul music. With hits like Shop Around and The Tears of a Clown, they became one of Motown's most successful acts, showcasing Smokey Robinson's songwriting skills and the group's impeccable harmony. Their influence can be heard in the music of countless artists today, making them like a quintessential act to know for any fan of Motown and soul music. Next, we have the Isley Brothers, a legendary R&B and soul group that formed in the late 50s. With a career spanning over 6 decades, they've produced some of the most iconic hits in music history, such as Shout, Put Your Hands Up, and Twist and Shout, and It's Your Thing. Do What You Want to Do. Their unique blend of gospel, R&B, funk, and rock has influenced countless artists over multiple genres, cementing their status as really one of the most important groups in music history. We're going to keep the groove going with the Contours, a vocal group known for their energetic live performances and super catchy hits like Do You Love Me and Shake Sherry. Their upbeat, danceable tunes, combined with their dynamic stage presence, have made them a fan favorite and an essential act to know for anyone interested in Motown and R&B. And last but certainly not least, we have Mary Wells, one of Motown's first successful female singers, with hits like My Guy and Two Lovers. Her smooth and soulful voice, combined with her impeccable phrasing and emotive delivery, set the standard for female vocalists in the Motown era. Her influence can still be heard in the music of countless artists today, making her a must-know act for any fan of Motown and soul music. So I'm totally distracted because there is a rooster spreading his wings outside my window, running about in my yard in the city, and it's quite hysterical. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. 12 legendary Motown artists who have etched their names in music history with their incredible talent, their infectious energy, and soul-stirring performances. Whether you're a longtime fan or just discovering the magic of Motown for the first time, I hope this journey through the iconic sounds of the era has left you feeling inspired and ready to explore more. But this musical adventure does not have to end here. If you enjoyed grooving to the beats of Motown, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, join this ever-growing community, and stay up to date with all of the pop, rock, music, history, repertoire, content I have coming for you. Oh, and if you're ready to take your repertoire to the next level and deliver show-stopping performances like Gladys Knight and Martha Reeves and the Vandellas, check out my Rock Out Your Rep service. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Now go out there, be awesome, rock on, and keep grooving to the Motown beat. See you next time.